morning, everyone, and also good morning, my friends from Zimbabwe. Today, I have another breakfast for you. I prepared it yesterday, and I would like to share with you the tips and ideas which I used within this instrumental. So, guys, pay attention to the way I played it. These types of beat is mostly made there in Zimbabwe with one of the famous singer who is called John Shibadura. So, today, I will explain you step by step how I coordinated this melody, and if you have a computer there, just follow me and you will get a lot of ability and you will improve your skills of being a producer. And if you also have your friend who also want to be a producer, just test me and just invite him, share my tips, subscribe to my channel, that I will be always here in your side to help you improve your skills. So without talking too much, guys, I know you want something very brief. Let us start with the drums. After the drums, we will see how the melody is. After the melodies, I will play the entire tutorial to see how was the result. Okay, here the reed drums. As you know, I like to remove the I like to take all the project and remove the melodies and remain with the reed drums and create another new project to not waste my time, because I have a lot of singers here that they come every day to sing. So I only remove the melodies and remain with the project with the reed drums. So let us play to see how they sound. Here we do have a kick. Here we do have a hi-hat, also a hi-hat. I think it's a shaker, but I also call this. I always call it hi-hat, and percussion of rim. It's very simple to do the reed drums. After the reed drums, I chose one of the plugin and all of the plugins that I will be using here, they are native plugin, nothing to worry about downloading, guys. I always say this for you because they are a beginner that are coming from the invitation of my friends that are subscribed to my channel. So let us hear how this melody sound. After this melody, I had to draw another melody here. This melody is answering the first melody. Let us hear how both of them sound. So they are coordinating. After that, I had to draw another little melody here. For example, there's a lot of space here. Why I left it like that? It's because I'm only coordinating. I'm not just accepting everything that's coming in my mind and just draw. No, I'm using intelligence. I'm using creativity to make this type of beat. So for you guys also, it's very important when you're making these types of beat to keep in mind not just drawing. Keep in mind this theory of coordination, and also tell your singer to sing in order to get the voice if it is going with the instrumental or not. So let us hear how this melody sound. I used the subtractor and used one of the preset so with the off. Let us play this melody to see. After that, I had to choose the subtractor. I choose the bass guitar to draw this melody here. It is coordinating, guys, so keep this in mind. After that, I had to draw another melody here. Down here, I chose I chose the energy there. Okay, I chose the energy there, and I chose the I used the preset which is called the finger bass. After that, I had to draw the bass here. very simple, guys. After that, I had to draw the final melody here. I use the fellow bars. For those people who don't know how to access this program, it's very simple. For example, this program is for you to this place is for you to draw your melodies, and this place is for you to choose to choose the plugins which you want to play in this part. So it is very important. If you find this tab here and you go down here, and if you find this black space, just click with the right button of your mouse. It will display information plugins. For example, we have Subtractor, Tor, Mastronome, and Zanove, and we do have here M class equalizer for you to make the masterization of your beat, and we have reverb, delay, line. Everything is okay. For example, if you want to choose the presets for you for your melody, just locate this icon. If you click in the icon, it will take you to this part where you can select the melody, the melody that you want, the preset, for example. And also you can go here, go to folder, you will go to bass. There are a lot of things here which you can use. For example, here there are a lot of, for example, it is the same for any Nishishite. Here, locate this icon, just click in this icon, it will take you to this part where you can select the preset which you want for your melody. So it's very simple. And I would also like to show you how I drew this part of dancing. I always say for you to draw it, because there are other people who don't want to hear what the musician is singing. He only want to dance because he is drunk. So take advantage of drawing this, because your singer will like and so on. Let us hear how it sounds. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you want this project, I will send you. If you want the instrumental, I can also send you for free. Just subscribe to my channel and show your friends this channel that is waiting for him. So thank you very much. I will see you in the next tutorial.